a bit of head scratching going on this morning following a statement by Trump advisor Kellyanne Conway on MSNBC. Conway referred to a Bowling Green massacre to justify President Trump's ban on refugees and immigrants from 7 predominantly Muslim countries. Listen.
I bet it's brand new information to people that President Obama had a 6-month ban on the Iraqi refugee program after 2 Iraqis came here to this country, were radicalized, and they were the masterminds behind the Bowling Green massacre. I mean, most people don't know that because it didn't get covered.
Rudy Giuliani has been suspended from practicing law in New York State, essentially suspended for repeatedly lying about a variety of things.
But there's more than ample evidence to conclude that this election was a sham. It was an embarrassment to the citizens of your state.
Former Trump lawyer Rudy Giuliani admits he lied when he accused 2 Georgia election workers of ballot fraud during the 2020 election. Giuliani made that admission in a court filing for a defamation lawsuit brought by the workers Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss. He insists his claims are protected by the First Amendment free speech right.
Congressman Adam Schiff, for example. Schiff claimed he possessed actual evidence of Russian collusion. And he didn't just say that one time, he said it repeatedly.
And there is significant evidence of collusion. There is ample evidence, and indeed there is, of collusion of people in the Trump campaign with the Russians. I think there's plenty of evidence of collusion or conspiracy.
If you like your doctor, you can keep your doctor under the reform proposals that we put forward. If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep it.
The president apologizing for his repeated promise that everyone can keep their health care plans if they choose to under Obamacare. It's a rather stunning reversal because, as now everybody has heard him give assurance after assurance for years that if you like your plan, you're going to get to keep it. We, of course, know that to be false.
They didn't argue against that.
So no one told, your military advisors did not tell you, no, we should just keep 2,500 troops. It's been a stable situation for the last several years. We can do that. We can continue to do that.
No one said that to me that I can recall.
It was back in the fall of 20, and it remained consistent throughout that we should keep a steady state of 2,500, and it could bounce up to 3,500, maybe something like that, in order to move toward a negotiated, gated solution.
I recommended that we maintain 2,500 troops in Afghanistan. And I also recommended earlier in the fall of 2020 that we maintain 4,500 at that time. Those are my personal views. I also have a view that the withdrawal of those forces would lead inevitably to the collapse of the Afghan military forces and eventually the Afghan government.
Respond to that.
Please.
Because look, there are 50 former national intelligence folks who said that what he's accusing me of is a Russian plant. They have said that this has all the 5 former heads of the CIA, both parties, say what he's saying is a bunch of garbage. Nobody believes it except his and his good friend Rudy Giuliani.
You mean the laptop is now another Russia hoax?
That's exactly what.
Is this where you're going? This is where he's going. The laptop is Russia.
Gentlemen, I want to stay on the issue of race.
You have to be kidding. Here we go again with Russia.
Hunter Biden is suing a computer repair shop in Delaware for sharing his laptop's contents. He claims the store owner illegally copied and distributed private information.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky.